Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your language network with Meetup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your language learning goals. Determine which languages you want to connect with. Research meetup.com for existing language groups in your area. Join groups that align with your interests and goals. Create an account on Meetup if you haven't done so already. Customize your profile to reflect your language interests. Attend initial meetups to gauge group dynamics. Introduce yourself and express your language goals during introductions. Engage with group members actively by asking questions. Share your own experiences and language challenges. Participate in group discussions and activities. Offer to lead a session if you feel comfortable. Connect with members one-on-one for more personalized practice. Follow up after meetups to keep the conversation going. Utilize online features of Meetup to communicate within the group. Suggest new topics or activities that can enhance learning. Be open to feedback and adapt your approach as needed. Consider creating your own language meetup if none suit your needs. Promote your meetup across social media and relevant platforms. Schedule regular meetups to maintain consistent practice. Track your progress and reflect on your language skills improvement. Encourage members to invite friends and expand the group. Build a supportive community by celebrating group achievements. Stay committed and enjoy the journey of language learning together. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.